Okay guys, for today's recipe I have pistachios and mixed nuts and chia seed, and I will mix this and grind it. Okay? Yung pistachio nuts ko, lagyan ko ng chia seed. Okay? Then mix natin sa mixed nuts. Okay? And chia seed, pistachio nuts, and mixed nuts. Mix everything. There you go. My kataipi is ready. And then guys, linagay ko yung pistachio cream sa bowl. And then lagyan natin condensed milk, 1 can. Then guys, lagay na natin yung pistachio cream with condensed milk. Then mix it well. And then guys, mix it well and then make sure it's fully coated. Okay? Maybe I need more pistachio. Okay guys, I mix it well and then make sure it's fully coated. Now guys, I'm putting pistachio and mixed nuts. Okay? Mix it. Okay guys, I'm gonna put this in the tray and then spray it with the cooking oil. Okay? Okay guys, maglagay na tayo ng kataipi sa tray. Is that right? Kataipi? Okay. Okay guys, I'm making a different one that has a strawberry inside. Okay, here. Okay, and another one. There you go. Now I'm putting them inside the freezer to make them hard. And just wait. Now I'm putting pistachio kataipi. Okay, lagay natin sa freezer. Okay guys, maglagay tayo ng butter. Melt it first. Then guys, naglagay ako ng marshmallow. Mix it slowly. Lower heat lang yung heat natin para hindi masunog yung marshmallow. Okay? Tapos, lagay na natin yung cocoa powder. And then guys, maglagay tayo ng skim milk powder. mix it well. Then, it's almost done. Antayin natin mag-thicken. Then, i-flat natin. Now, I'm gonna wrap them up in the chocolate. Ito na po yung nagawa ko. Now, maglagay tayo ng cocoa powder sa chewy chocolate. Okay. There you go. This is my chewy chocolate cookies. They're done. And there you go. This is finished. It's damaged. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye. God bless. Okay guys, let me cut it and try it. Okay, this is my chewy chocolate cookie, Dubai. My God, it tastes good. Well, bye bye. Thanks for watching.